Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how the templates work. Once your templates are loaded into your data folder, you're going to go ahead and click on whatever chart you're going to use. Go to your right click on the chart, go to template, and come down and choose your template. They should all be loaded here. So here's a basic template. This is just our base template that we use for the zigzag robot. As you can see, we've got the red line here is your zigzag line. Okay. And we've got different colors for your up and down bars, and these white lines are your period separators. All right. So every day you'll see a trade placed in between these period separators. So this is the basic zigzag template. Okay, so the next template we're going to show you here, go ahead and right click on the screens, go to our templates. I'm going to show you the zigzag auto Fibonacci template. Okay, just as before, we've got different colors for our up and down bars. We've got our zigzag indicator and the red line here flowing, but we also have the Fibonacci here. Now, this indicator or this template will draw your Fibonacci automatically for you on the most recent Fibonacci levels. So in this way, we're able to identify good potential trade setups. As you see, as we're coming down here towards the 100, we should be looking for a nice little bounce off 61.8 to continue our downward motion. Look to our left, we can see other levels. All right, so this is a great indicator to go ahead and, if you like to trade Fibonacci's, this will automatically draw your Fibonacci on your chart for you in conjunction with the zigzag indicator and our custom template. Okay, so let's show you the next template here we're going to bring up. This is the high-low template. Okay, this is a very easy template here. I want to show you how the settings work on this one in particular. You can set the high-low based on the number of days. So in this situation, in this scenario here, I've got the daily high, daily low. If I were to change this to 5, that would be like the weekly high, weekly low, right? So whatever number you put in here, that's the number of days it's going to give you the high and low for. Since we trade daily, I keep it on 1. But what this allows you to do is it will draw you an above line and a below line. So we're looking for trades either to bounce off of this line, right? Or we're looking for trades to break that line and continue down. Okay, so this very easy template indicator that shows you exactly where the entries that we're looking for and where you should be looking for your trades. As you can see, they're drawn on very specific levels that are obviously important to the market in terms of where they're going to reverse or where they're going to break and continue on. So this is a great template to use with Zigzag Robot. Okay, so the next template I'm going to show you here is the moving average cross. Okay, so the moving average cross is simple. It's just based on a simple MA cross indicator. When you've got one moving average crossing over another moving average, it'll give you a signal, either a buy or sell signal. So the default is set at 50 and 200 on the MA. You can customize that to whatever levels that you would like to customize. And it's pretty cool. It comes with this nice little sell indicator when it's time to sell. It'll come with the buy indicator when it's time to buy. And if you look at these solid lines here, then it's going to tell you this is a buy bar, right? So when you touch the bar, boom, that's a buy. You touch the bar, boom, that's a buy. Okay, this bar here, right, this is the sell bar, the pink bar, right? So when you're coming up here, boom, we're looking at having a sell. And the zigzag indicator, right, is going to confirm what you are already being told. So MA crossover, something that's very popular amongst traders for picking up pips. And here we've got it built into this template here, along with the buy-sell bar to make trading the zigzag pattern extremely easy for you. The next indicator we're going to go over here as we load them up. This is the supply and demand indicator. It's very simple, right? We've got our regular template with our zigzag indicator on it, and the template will automatically draw your support and your resistance areas. That way you don't have to guess. And as you can see, they line up perfectly with our zigzag indicator. So it gives you a good idea about where the market is either going to break or going to reverse. So the support and resistance, for those of you who trade with support and resistance levels, this is an excellent indicator and template for you. And last but not least, we've got the trend line template. And what this will do is automatically draw your trend lines for you. So if you're having trouble with your trend lines, you don't have to worry about that. It will draw your trend lines. And what's cool is it'll draw your trend lines on all time frames. Right? So all of these indicators will work on all time frames. As you toggle through them, you can see that your trend lines are being perfectly drawn, and they will draw on each chart trend lines for each time frame. So you can compare your lower time frames with your higher time frames. And if you're following along with our strategies, we're looking for that 1, 2, third time touch of a trend line to enter into a trade. So this is a great strategy indicator, a great template for those of you who like to trade wedges, trend lines, etc. So there's 6 different templates that you can use with the Zigzag robot to help you become a better trader. You can use them on unlimited charts with unlimited settings with unlimited brokers. You can find them free in your affiliate back office. Use them to your benefit, share them with your friends, use them as marketing materials. Most importantly, use them to improve your trading and catch some pips.